My name is Jamie Scheer. Business is Black Hills Health and Wellness Center in Rapid City, South Dakota. We have been here for 39 years now. We've got 4 chiropractors and then all of the support staff to keep us open and running. I always knew that I would go into medicine. I enjoyed helping people. I grew up around it. What field of medicine was always kind of a tough decision for me in college. My uncle, my father's brother, is a internal medicine and emergency room doctor and family practice up in North Dakota. And talking with them and their career and their profession, they all kind of pushed me into the direction of chiropractor, because of the family life, the hours, and et cetera, et cetera. Our business was started in 1982 when my father, Dr. Gregory Scheer, moved to the area. He was born and raised in Bismarck, North Dakota, so not too far away. His aunt lived in Rapid City, South Dakota, and they vacationed down here quite a bit, coming to the Black Hills. He loved how beautiful it was here, so when he finished chiropractic school in Chicago, Illinois, he decided Rapid City, South Dakota is going to be his home. And he started the business back then, just by him, and him. So we have been here for 39 years as a family-owned business in the Black Hills. We have been fortunate enough to treat a diverse amount of patients and an immense amount of patients and help them get back to what they love. Being in the same community, having a multi-generational family business, has given us a unique aspect in our community to see the grandma, the daughter, the grandson, and sometimes even the great-granddaughter of patients. Watching these families develop in the area, helping them get through their life, being able to do what they want to do pain-free without the need of excessive drugs or surgeries has been really a gift to us. You really start to get more of a family relationship with your patients than you do as a patient-doctor relationship. So in the clinic, we have 4 different chiropractors. We have 2 massage therapists. We have our physiotherapist who helps us with all of our soft tissue modalities. That's going to be things like e-stim, ultrasound, cold lasers, cryotherapy, really trying to work on soft tissue injuries, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. And then with the chiropractic side, we have an immense amount of the active care and the rehab. We're always trying to figure out the best way to help patients get back to what they want to be doing, whether that's sitting in an office, working at their desk, or playing bocce ball with their kids on the beach. A big difference between our clinic, I guess, and a lot of other medical clinics is how much outreach that we have done in our community. We're going to go to 5Ks, we're going to go see patients at that. We're going to go to military benefits out at the base and try to move them in more of a wellness-oriented treatment plan as opposed to a traditional drugs or surgeries or something to that extent. Pioneer Bank has helped us through our business, especially during the pandemic. We had some unique challenges during the last 2 years. There was an immense amount of paperwork in the beginning of this that we had no clue what we were doing. We weren't even a customer of Pioneer Bank and Trust, and we reached out to Donna, and she helped us immensely. She referred us to other staff members in Pioneer Bank and Trust. They as well knew we weren't customers, but were overwhelmingly able and there to help us. As that transition into their banking system, and now we have been a customer of theirs, they have been very helpful in anything that we have brought them, whether it is how to do paperwork through something with the pandemic or opening a new account for a high school student. We do most of the day-to-day dealings and the deposits at the South Branch. It's always organized, it's always beautiful. They are extremely courteous, extremely polite, and they will do anything they can to help you as best as they can. Whether you sprung something on them at the last minute or you had been working on them for 6 months on a project. We have recommended Pioneer Bank and Trust to many other locally owned businesses and friends and families that own businesses in the Black Hills. When you're treated so well, even if you're not a customer of the bank, it quickly makes you realize that this is where you should do business. Pioneer Bank and Trust is local.